Hello everyone, today I will introduce about Chiềng Waterfalls. Vietnam has many tourist attractions, especially northern mountain areas. Today I would like to talk about Chiềng Waterfall, a famous waterfall in Sa province. It's located in Chiềng commune. It's about 30 kilometers far away from centers of Mokto town. This waterfall is famous for crystal clear blue waters, peaceful atmospheres, and beautiful mountain and forest. Besides its natural beauties, this place connected with story traditional about Thai two girls. They They sacrificed themselves because they didn't want to leave their hometown. Later, people local built temples to remember them. And not only are famous with natural beauties, but also create unforgettable memory to many visitors. To tell you more about activities and personal experience, today I invite my friends to continue presentation.
Thank you. As my friend mentioned, Chiềng Waterfall is not merely the impressive place, but also really relaxing. Chiềng Waterfall has many small layers of water falling down large rocks. Around the waterfall, there are green trees and fresh mountain air, which make this place more peaceful and refreshing. Because of its beauty, many people come here to take photo and enjoy nature. Some visitors also come here, also swim in the natural pools at the bottom of waterfall. The water is cool, especially during summer, so this is a great place to escape the heat. Actually, this place also reminds me of one of my personal experience. It's about a few months ago when I really exhausted. I struggling with my studying and wasting a lot of time instead of studying seriously. So I decided to invite my friend to come to Chiềng Waterfall together. When I arrived there, I immediately feel more relaxed. The cool air, the sound of waterfall, and the peaceful atmosphere enable me forget my stress for a while. We talked, we took photo, and simply enjoy nature together. After that trip, I felt like I found myself again. I become more patient, more positive, and motivated to continue with my studies. So, one of the most thing I love at the Chiềng Waterfall is the peaceful atmosphere and the feeling of freedom it gives to me. So Chiềng Waterfall is not merely a peaceful place, but also help me recharge mentally and emotionally. So and now my friend will share why this place is meaningful to local people and why tourists should visit it.
Compared to Chiềng Waterfall, Chiềng Waterfall is quieter and more natural. Chiềng Waterfall is modern and crowded, but many people like Chiềng Waterfall because it has beautiful nature and fresh air. In conclusion, Chiềng Waterfall is a great place for people who want to relax and enjoy nature. Its peaceful atmosphere and wide beauty is make it one of the most attractive waterfalls in Sa.